ase okay nkai to asam no wose na Babylon no hwe ase ose asuase na abaye sabi ahomfi ahohombone ebia ensanufuo wifuo akorensafuo munatofuo damanfuo akronfuo guo enti sansori yi mi so komi sesi ya mi suona samesi mi sime buaka opa bia emaye tipwa ensori yi mienu oni mi eti ameka sei asofo ya din sori man ho emanu huska ibi mpo weska mfa kan kofie to ya be ma na uhia no asoro na ose ni pa na de na wudu atiro kontiro moje pa woko because of sika kakra o de be mani nti nsama make me mfa oni atani ya obedi mi o me mfa oni ya obaye me dia me bo ukoko ne ma tro se wurade tutu ben tuna station eba tipe ba bi gina na sabo ko ni emu ye bo Kristo suma ni mu aso wa Ghana ya bo Kristo sum fom ema mi bie ni pa bie ni mumye je last year ekoye bishop Obinim fa so a oso yi lotto numbers mankofuo o mankofuo lotto numbers o ba udayem di lotto number abra wa mo bi lotto number ni wadi ni nyina eye fake minim guy bia ye friend na kwame oh what tema o ye filling station ayi o ye mo filling station abante tonfu on oboka no hu bishop Obinim o TV so ma lotto numbers na chese komodidi yemo kosia bishop Obinim akola ye friend Raymond na Raymond did come bishop Obinim already kwa bishop Obinim so ma lotto number na aje se wadi ka tua consultation fee boy ni tua 500 Ghana cedi ansa na ohu Obinim o share Obinim sisa o memo lotto number ne dia aje se oba for the 8,000 Ghana cedi na boy ni ko fa 8,000 Ghana cedi ne bae boy ni 8,000 Ghana cedi ne bae ya era na Obinim amfa ma no Obinim so nkomra boy ni ko to aso 3 times ni mi otua 500 which is 1,500 plus 8,000 ma mo hwewu Obinim to so abrantie ya kopem se last minute okatra abrantie ne se ade se wokọ lotto office ana kwaje number ne de bre no tirie paawu na monhwe kro no sabe abafo yi te Ghana ha azan kalabuye ayeye oti ase oso wokọ lotto office akwaje number ne de abre no no oguso to abrantie last minute okatra se ohun boni ginachi woni fie to the lotto number the man emmo by time I watch the guy in 8,000 ne de we ohun boni no time I watch the consultation fee 500 no we ohun boni no Ghana fo o me ni na ho yanko time a bishop Obinim o di lotto number ho dance ye asenyame nipa asenyame sofo awurade de wo ye adwuma na unimu mlansema wa Bible unimu mlansema wa trust mu awurade yankopon hu ye mabo ne ye bre yanko ne ensa imra
kasa
yo me pa chaw me ni abai se obepa wa chaw
ade
obede papa ne bi na ode ko hye ne yefunu ode ko hye ne yem no nyinsan ye
ne opeba
debi ode hu no ho na onyinsan ye
ne ode hu ne ho
na ode hye ne yem
na me se papa no so de show yema benyem to ode hu ne ode ko hye ne yem no onyem ye
na onyem ye
na wakoye de
na wakoye abortion to koye abortion no afi moja tu ni saa ti one day na osonda ye na opie ne dayem onwo ba wasase we so da
because of why abortion ye na me ka kire no se onwo da wasase we so
to ba wu age so ba be power chew na ode bo ne che na nsa na wawo ti go ba ya o be pa chew
punishment be na me fama no
a bag of cement
bas mienu
and one such speakers ni nyina
one back
but your first one on tribete
hey obi peba no wonya Why abortion?
Angel, she's here to confess and then ask for forgiveness. She said she came to this place. She took one of your fan, we call it Papa, placed it under tummy. She got conceived. Angel, she went to abort it. So she started bleeding. Then you told her she will never get pregnant because of what she has done unless she comes here to ask for forgiveness. So Angel, today, upon your words, she has come to ask for forgiveness.
What did you say?
How old are you?
24 years.
Say
24 years.
Angel, I'm 24 years.
To me, but what I am saying, abortion now, where you know, when you're there.
Say my baha we friend na wo me woda.
Why am I pamicha on what that? To have us up a pamicha.
Me pa twan.
It may find chow just like that.
Me pa twan.
Me find chow for.
Me pa twan.
Mo ready a punishment na me fama no. Punishment be na me fama.
Da me pa twan o de be ma me bia me so.
Ye me ma bia be so.
Me pa twan.
Cement.
A bag of cement.
Onfanko Jansi na so haya. We de mu ombre. Onso anon kombra. Na me mfa nche no. Ansa na me wulizi no. Na eda wo peba no. Me di ama no. Ade. Oze. Oze oje de.
Amantem.
Oje 1 month.
Bachai.
Wona wo so ala sweet.
Bachai.
Ti ene so aduru so.
Bachai.
Te oje 1 month.
Bachai.
That's right. That's right. I carried it last week. So,
mon director no na won kombra. On kombra. Odo sake ka wuti kikaliye. Me papa Jesus na on me kasa non kasa me mfa nche no. Eti nipa tu me fu ame mfa. Oni pebie no betu me fo.
sir.
Abortion. Jesus it to solo or heme. Me function just like that. Oh, boy, bra, sister. What patch the wagon na me mfa ho. Me ye Jesus adwuma, me nye nipa adwuma.
Sir.
Na Miriam kura kaseti a Moses perade ye den.
Opama kwata.
Apanishe no.
Yeah, onu ani nua bema.
Aaron kura kaseti a Moses na perade ye den.
Panishe no.
Oboka obi se punishment no ye nyan. Na perade kura punish nkofo bi wo Bible. Me mfa nche no. Miriam kura kaseti a Moses perade ye den.
Opama kwata.
Apanishe no.
Yeah, onu ani nua bema.
Aaron kura kaseti a Moses na perade ye den.
Panishe no.
Oboka obi se punishment no ye nyan. Na perade kura punish nkofo bi wo Bible. Me mfa nche no.
Okay. Video na me person here Obofour two numbers no honia no nie. But I think say odwumfo asabe or dey not ye na adwuma. The tie say ya otumi de ye bibi fufuro ma na ye yie. Tumi de mo amutie Bishop Obinim. Wadani Nyankopon e wo Ghana ha. Ono nkoa na wotumi so wadi nipa bone che no. Ono nkoa na wotumi sa ofuma opane show. Ana mo share ye no. We nyina etwamfo ni tire wiasman Ghana man say adifo bi awurade ka mo ho asem. Ba mo ho asem na awurade ka ye no abem pepepe. Muriye ko awurade no Obofour ekoyo foso ko boaboa nipa no free enkrase ba bi ti se takrade sehiyo so God's watching what as a pay te pasai ni ho no aka mo nyina bo masesa wo mo emu nkwada tse emu mpanimfuo no wo tia sika de ama wo mo na wa mo ba be dire TV so no wa de camera to wo mo so atre o man say wono wo ye the oracle wo tia ba yie mo me yanko ni yanko nkohwe na wa wu tse na yanko
Adiana one no pensio. You see all. One in another one to know. Obama Shukla Bedinisa. Who did not know what the whole this a Germany. By 4 German for who are in the farm. Samu. A dear Cassiano with the Kuno. Go any moment before. Oh, buddy. Would you be facing? Ha! One of our catchers here do Basa. One of our catchers, man. The tip is a lot of bingo. Ah! Were you a dear Muflicia? Now we'll hear what here. We'll hear what here. We'll hear what here. The pay you are Chamaba ye. Oh, Mamma for the Edgemano. Yes. But some can step out of it. I don't know. Mamma for you are reading her life. Ah, and you were near. And you mania. And you mania. Papa, you mania. Obina, baby, I am. And you mania. You mania. Obina, baby, I am. I didn't feel so much, but I don't want. I'm not buying up my guess. Anymania. Obina, baby, I am. Oh, some Casama Tomino. Yeah, me, I'm saying, oh, Rosem. Oh, yeah, but you were there. Oh, my God, no, what's another other now? So, no, go 4 months. I got you. Good. At the end of how, by you. That's it. And you do, sir. Yes. We made him here. Mahamu Chao. But the Majamaya called the year when you bring my bonnet. What's in my bed? But he's 70 family and Yamaya. I don't know which you are. What did you mean? I got them. Now, what it was, sister, we are dear to walk because the idea because on some way. You will jump a call. Not baby. Ah, it's a pack your, I keep us.
Ghana food we echi. Mo de amami encourage school for nkwala. Reverend Obofour chi wo gu ho the year 2019 ni mu. So mo nyina ye bayifo. O kira bayiye. Na o papa nkura bia pampam de nsa bo wa pampam town. Shibia sum bo biam. Kwaku Bafo